Welcome back to the Oxford Vapours YouTube channel. I'm Amber and today we're going to be doing a review of the Aspire Zelos 3 kit. So what do I like about this device? It's very ergonomical, feels great in the hand. The 3200 mAh capacity battery is great, it does last very well, especially when you're using a plus ohm tank like the Nautilus 3 on there. You also do have a battery percentage on the screen, which is very helpful to let you know exactly where your battery is at. And yeah, it's just nice and small, very responsive, which is brilliant. I don't have any downfalls for the battery itself. I like this on-off button at the bottom as well. Instead of having to lock it and things like that, you can just switch it on and off. The tank is quite heavy. That's probably the only negative thing I can think about the tank, to be honest. It is quite a heavy tank. You do have a lot of airflow options on it, which is brilliant, although they don't click into place like the previous Nautilus GT, so that could be a downfall for some, but the airflow options are great. You've got great coil options for it, or the Nautilus sort of 1.6, 0.7 mesh, 0.7, those Nautilus, very famous Nautilus coils fit in there, so that's great. So overall I think it's great. It is a little bit heavy when you've got the tank on there, which might be a downfall to some people, but generally speaking I love it and I think it works really, really well. I hope you found that review of the Zelos 3 kit interesting and useful for you. If you did, please like and subscribe or leave any comments in the section below. I've been Amber and this is the Oxford Vapours YouTube channel.